Look at that.
What,
the Chick Fil A.
That's the Chick Fil A, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let me go. Okay, good.
After 300 feet, turn right, Pelham Road.
Okay, this is Christmas at Chick Fil A. No, not downtown Greenville, but Greenville. Man, they go all out.
Yeah.
See, look at the drummers drumming.
Yeah, this one is, that's even more than the other Chick-fil-A that we did the Candy Cane Lane at.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Daddy would love this. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and get this Christmas Chick Fil A. Looky here. Here's some more. Yep. They're really ready for Christmas. And there's the snowman. Okay. Yeah, I can go this way. Because this is not in... Yep. Because there's one more over here. Look at the drive-thru too.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's neat. Daddy would love that. I don't remember them ever doing this when we've been here before during
Turn
Christmas.
left, then at the end of the road, turn right.
Try to get what this is. What is that? That's an angel, I believe. Yep. Okay. Alrighty. And we get a better view of the candy canes right here.
At the end of the road, turn left, East Beacon Drive, then turn right, Pelham Road.
Neat.
Yeah.
Turn left, then turn right.
Okay, now I'm going to turn it off.
Yeah.